I was sent this hairdryer to try out. It has a low function, a high function. It also has a bunch of different heat functions, which is great. So you can do cool, you can do a middle, you can do hot, and then you have one that cycles between the cold and the hot function, which is just really great for doing the kids' hair as well. This is such a solid hair dryer. The bottom comes off and it has a filter on it. The front part has that flat piece, but you can switch it out for a hair diffuser, and it's magnetic. This is so compact, but it is so powerful. I always hate blow drying my hair in the winter, going to bed with wet hair. This did my entire head of hair in 4 minutes, and I'm telling you, my hair felt so nice. The amount of power, the heat that comes out of here, it really is such a high quality hair dryer. I am so impressed with this. My kids don't mind getting their hair dried, and my daughter has long hair, and it makes it so easy. That warm to cool function is just awesome. I absolutely love this hair dryer. You are not going to be disappointed. This is the diffuser function. It just magnets right on. Like I said, this is designed beautifully. It works so well. My hair feels great and I don't dread blow drying it.